If 4 days before tomorrow is Saturday, what is 3 days after yesterday? Isa to ngayon sa pinaka-popular na tanong na nag-circulate sa internet, particularly sa Facebook. Isa siya sa mga naitanong apparently sa recently concluded civil service exam. At ang goal ng tanong na to is to measure your analytical ability. Specifically, ang tawag sa ganito mga uri ng tanong ay analogy of days or days analogy. Masasagot mo yung ganito mga uri ng tanong kapag nagawa mo siyang ma-visualize. So it always helps na ma-illustrate mo siya. Gamitin yung bahagi ng booklet, sulatan yon, feel free to do that. Tapos sikaping ma-translate yung question into an illustration. So kapag analogy of days, you always need to remember to, of course, read the question properly. So if 4 days before tomorrow is Saturday, what is 3 days after yesterday? Nabanggit yung tomorrow, nabanggit yung yesterday, pero wala pang today. You should always start with now. So today muna. Sulat mo yung today. Nandyan ka ngayon. Hindi pa natin alam kung anong araw ngayon, pero may mga hint. First premise, 4 days before tomorrow is Saturday. So, unahin natin si tomorrow na mapupunta ngayon dito. Basically, writing a sequence of days. So, today, hindi pa natin alam yan. Pero alam natin na si tomorrow, nandito sa kabilang side. Sulat natin si tomorrow. And then, mula sa first premise, 4 days bago daw ito ay Saturday. So, from tomorrow, you need to actually go backwards. Bilang tayo ng 4 units. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. This day right here is Saturday according dun sa first premise. Then para alam natin na may days sa pagitan yan, lagay natin dito. Alright, so merong unknown day dito. At dito. Hindi pa natin alam si today. Hindi pa natin alam si tomorrow. But since we already know that 4 days before tomorrow is Saturday, I think it's quite clear na ang araw sumunod niyan would be Sunday. At ang araw pagkatapos niyan ay Monday. Dahil din dyan, malalaman mo na kung anong araw ngayon. You can actually replace this o imbis na burahin, bibilugan ko na lang siya. Sulat natin sa taas. Today is Tuesday. Right? Nanggaling yun sa premise na 4 days before tomorrow is Saturday. So, Sunday, Monday, today is Tuesday. Yung bukas would then be, I'm sure you already know, Wednesday. That's the first premise. Nabigyan na natin ng araw, ng name, specific day, si today at saka si tomorrow. Ngayon yung second premise ay ito. Ano naman daw yung 3 days after yesterday? So if today is Tuesday, ano yung yesterday muna? Balik ka dito sa ginawa nating sequence. Yesterday would be Monday. That's yesterday. And then, 3 days after that, ilang ka na ngayon? 1, 2, 3. Kompleto na ngayon yung sequence mo. And I'm pretty sure ma-identify mo na kung ano yung 3 days after yesterday. Yesterday is Monday. 3 days after that would be yung sumunod kay Wednesday, which is Thursday. Yan ang magiging sagot dito sa analogy of days question na ito. Okay? Now, what took my interest is that yung iba't ibang paraan na nakuha ng mga tao sa pagsagot nito. Merong pang mga nanghingi ng suggestion sa ChatGPT, sa AI. So, yun yung tingnan nating sumunod. Alright, tingnan natin yung sagot ng AI. So, ang in-input ko, if 4 days before tomorrow is Saturday, what is 3 days after yesterday? Ito yung nauna niyang isinagot sa akin. Sabi niya, if 4 days before tomorrow is Saturday, then today must be Wednesday. So, yesterday was Tuesday. Therefore, 3 days after yesterday would be Friday. And as you can see, hindi yun yung nakuha nating sagot. So, nagduda ako. Ang ginawa ko, minark as thumbs down ko yung response ng AI. Ito yung ginawa niya, nag-provide siya ng bagong answer. Sabi niya, if 4 days before tomorrow is Saturday, then tomorrow is Wednesday. Anong unang naging difference? Kinonsider niya yung Wednesday as today dun sa original response niya. Sa bago niyang sagot, si Wednesday na yung naging tomorrow, which is accurate dun sa nakuha natin. Wednesday is tomorrow. Kaya lang, ito yung naging problema. To determine 3 days after yesterday, we need to know what day was yesterday, since we know that tomorrow is Wednesday. Yesterday must have been Tuesday. Therefore, 3 days after yesterday is Friday. Again, mali ulit. Bakit? Ang hindi consider ni AI ay ang very crucial na pag-identify sa today. Ano yung araw ngayon? Mapapansin na nakuha niya yung tomorrow, which is Wednesday, pero nung hinanap niya na yung 3 days after yesterday, dahil yung yesterday niya is Tuesday, mali yung nakuha niyang 3 days after that. Kinonsider niya yung today as yesterday. So, nagkaroon ngayon ng inaccuracy dun sa response niya kasi nakuha niya yung tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Pero nung sinabi niya yung yesterday, Tuesday ang sagot. Eh, hindi ba kung yesterday mo, kung tomorrow mo ang Wednesday, then today must be Tuesday. Yesterday must be Monday. Yun ang hindi kinonsider nung AI sa kanyang response. At so, ang ginawa ko dito ay pinlik ko itong neither answer is better. I'm not quite sure kung ano magiging epekto nun sa mga susunod niyang response sa ganitong tanong. Pero ang main takeaway dyan is that you cannot always rely on machines. Maasahan mo pa rin yung sarili mong analytical ability. At kagaya ng ginawa ko dito, makakatulong kung mabivisualize mo yung problem and gamitin lang what you already know. Alam mo naman yung tamang order ng mga araw. Tandaan lang na dapat ma-translate mo properly yung word for word dun sa question papunta dun sa illustration mo. Kasi kung magkakaroon ng inaccuracy doon, obviously, maging yung final answer mo magiging inaccurate din. Hopefully, nakatulong itong video na ito.